Today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate crinkle cookies, another holiday classic. These cookies are soft and chewy, packed full of chocolate flavor, and taste just as impressive as they look. They are also very easy to make. All you really need are some pantry staples, instant coffee or espresso powder, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar to make this.
Welcome back. My name is Daniel, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and that notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on these super easy chocolate crinkle cookies.
Start with adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk the dry ingredients together until well combined, and then set aside for now. In a separate large bowl, add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 2/3 of a cup of granulated white sugar. Also, crack in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give these ingredients a good whisk until very well combined. It will take a few minutes, but this wet ingredient mixture should be somewhat thick, glossy, and yellow in color. In a separate bowl, finely crush up half a teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder. This will enhance the chocolate flavor in these cookies. Add the crushed powder to the wet ingredients. Then, sift in half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is notorious for lumps, so you'll need to break them apart with a metal spoon beforehand if you don't have a sifter to press it through. Whisk everything together until well combined. This will take several minutes to do, and the mixture will gradually get thicker and thicker, making it harder to stir. Just keep going until all the powder has dissolved. You'll also notice that the color will turn a darker brown, and when it's fully mixed, the batter should be very thick and shiny. At this stage, add the dry ingredients in, and like before, stir it all together until everything is combined. It will take several minutes. Switch to a spoon or spatula to do this because the batter will become very thick and difficult to stir at one point. Once the flour has all disappeared, cover and place the batter into the fridge to chill for at least 4 hours, or overnight is even better. Once the dough has thoroughly chilled, prepare some powdered sugar and a parchment-lined baking sheet. With a cookie scoop or a tablespoon, scoop out even-sized portions of dough and roll the cookie into a ball. I recommend a 1-inch diameter ball per cookie, which should yield about a dozen cookies, but you can make them whatever size you wish. Just be sure to adjust the baking time as needed. Roll each cookie ball into the powdered sugar, shake off the excess, then place them on the parchment paper and press down slightly to flatten. This will give it a head start on the spreading, which is what makes the crinkles on these cookies. If you want the cookies to be more dome-like and thicker in shape, skip the flattening step and leave them as balls. This will also help in achieving a fudgy or gooey center if that is what you're going for. Remember to throw out any remaining powdered sugar because it has come in contact with raw cookie dough. Be sure to leave space between each cookie to account for spreading in the oven. Now they're ready to bake. Bake them in a preheated 350°F oven for between 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops have formed nice crinkles and the center gives in a little when you lightly press on it. Be careful not to overbake so you get a fudgy center. And there you have it, the most delicious chocolate crinkle cookies that will make a lovely addition to your holiday spread. These festive cookies can be enjoyed all year round and will satisfy any sweet tooth or chocolate lover. They also pair perfectly with a glass of warm milk. Hope you enjoy!
All right, everyone, it is time for the taste test. I'm so excited. Chocolate crinkle cookies. First bite, here we go. Yeah. No, these are wonderful. Oh my God. It's so soft, chewy. That chocolate is really coming through. They're wonderful to make for the holidays. That coating of powdered sugar gives it a nice additional sweetness to it, but it's nice and fudgy in the center. Be careful not to overbake these, because if you overbake them, they're not going to be quite as fudgy and gooey in the middle. But you have that beautiful, gorgeous chocolate flavor coming through that's enhanced by that instant coffee or espresso powder that we put in. It's so delicious. These cookies remind me of a brownie. The way that you make them is really similar to a brownie batter, but they're so delicious and so good. They're perfect for holidays and parties. I hope you give these cookies a try because they are absolutely phenomenal. Your friends and family are gonna love them. Absolutely, I guarantee it. And as always, if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what kind of cookie you want me to try next. Remember to hit subscribe and that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone, and happy holidays.